Top 7 hiking trails in the world. It's challenging to narrow down the best hiking trails in the world to just 7, as there are countless amazing options across different continents and landscapes. However, here's a list of 7 iconic and diverse hiking trails that are renowned for their natural beauty, challenging terrain, and unique experiences. 1. Appalachian Trail USA. Stretching over 2,190 miles 3,524 kilometers. From Georgia to Maine, the Appalachian Trail is one of the longest continuous footpaths in the world. It passes through diverse landscapes, including forests, mountains, and meadows. 2. Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, Peru. This ancient trail winds through the Andes Mountains and leads to the awe-inspiring Machu Picchu ruins. The trail offers breathtaking views and a glimpse into the rich history of the Inca civilization. 3. Turdu, Mont Blanc, France, Italy, Switzerland, circling the Mont Blanc Massif. This trail covers around 110 miles, 177 kilometers through 3 countries. Hikers are treated to stunning alpine scenery, charming villages, and a range of challenging terrain. 4. Milford Track, New Zealand. Often called the finest walk in the world, the Milford Track showcases New Zealand's Fiordland National Park. Hikers encounter waterfalls, fjords, rainforests, and dramatic landscapes along the 33.5-mile 53.5 kilometers trail. 5. Pacific Crest Trail USA. Running from the US-Mexico border to the US-Canada border, the Pacific Crest Trail spans roughly 2,650 miles 4,265 kilometers through California, Oregon, and Washington. It offers a diverse range of ecosystems, including deserts, forests, and mountains. 6. Tongoriro Alpine Crossing, New Zealand. Located in Tongoriro National Park, this day hike showcases volcanic landscapes, geothermal activity, and stunning emerald lakes. It's known for its otherworldly beauty and unique terrain. 7. Torres del Paine Circuit, Chile. Encircling the Paine Massif in Patagonia, this trail takes hikers through glaciers, forests, lakes, and rugged mountains. The scenery is truly breathtaking, and the challenging weather conditions add to the adventure. Remember that these trails vary in difficulty and require proper preparation, including researching permits, weather conditions, and safety measures. Always prioritize safety and respect the environment while enjoying these incredible hiking experiences.